guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming to you with a different type of video. I want to call it a new release wish list. So I'm going to show you 5 things that are new releases that are on my wish list, because I have some staples on my wish list already, but they're kind of old products that came out ages ago but I still haven't tried. But the ones that I'm going to be talking to you about today are things that came out recently, maybe in the last month, that I would really want to try. So if you want to see what's on my new releases wish list, then just keep on watching. So the first thing that I want to talk to you about is the new skincare line that Too Faced is coming out. So basically this is the sneak peek of the thing. So there's a SPF 25 moisturizer, there is a hydrating serum, and there's something here that is kind of hidden that they don't want to show us. But this looks very good. I've heard so many good things about the Too Faced Hangover, is it HangoverX or HangoverX primer and the setting spray. This thing is kind of appealing to me because I love skincare, to be honest. I get loads of skincare in like my subscription boxes, but there are also skincare items that I want to try myself. So this is definitely going to be one of them. Maybe, just maybe, it's going to replace my all-time favorite moisturizer, which is the Clinique Moisture Search. You never know. You never know. The next thing things that I want to try are actually the new lip kits from SOSU by Suzanne Jackson. So this is an Irish brand. The lip kit comes with a bullet lipstick and a wooden lip liner. She doesn't really have the packaging shown on her Instagram page, but there are 3 kind of categories. So she has the nudes, the pinks, and the reds. I would personally like to try one of each. So this is the nudes collection, and the one that I would like to try is the middle one, which is called I Like It. It looks very nice and I think it would suit me very well. Then she has the pinks, which are like this. Again, I think I would try the middle one because the top one seems very light. It would probably just wash me out, and the one below it seems very purple. Not into that, to be honest. So I think the middle one, which is kind of pinky peachy color, would kind of interest me the most. And then she has the reds. She has Te Amo, Seduction, and Wild Thing. So the one that speaks to me on another level is Te Amo, because I love these fiery reds. I'm literally in love with Colourpop X Kathleen Lights Riviera because it just looks so beautiful, and this reminds me so much of that color, but in a bullet lipstick. So yeah, see, the thing is with Irish brands, everyone gushes over these releases. I'm not listening to those reviews. I'm not listening to any reviews, to be honest, before I try it myself. Usually I like SOSU releases, like, except the one thing that I absolutely despised was her Hot Fire eyeshadow palette. It's ridiculously bad. Like, I can't work with it, to be honest. But anyway, we're not talking about that. But yeah, these 3 lip kits are definitely on my wish list. Speaking of lipsticks, Huda Beauty just came out with new power lipsticks. This is the collection. It is a rose, it is a rose collection. I am loving the shade range. It goes from light to deep, so all skin tones will be able to try them. And okay, here we actually have a picture of the swatches. So yeah, there are a few colors that I would definitely like. I wouldn't pick up many, 1 tops 2, but they all look so beautiful, and they're I haven't heard many reviews because she released those Power Bullet, is it Power Bullet? Yeah, Power Bullet lipsticks before for Christmas, but they're metallic. Not my thing at all, but people liked them, you know. I didn't hear any like bad, not any, but I didn't hear many negative reviews, so I would assume these are going to be good as well. So yeah, this is definitely on my wish list because they look stunning. Anastasia Beverly Hills came out with something today actually, or they have announced it. This is the Anastasia Riviera palette. So this is what it looks like. These colors are so pretty. There's this beautiful yellow here and a mustard yellow, where is it, down here as well, and these purples, these pinks. I mean, this palette is a lovely spring related or spring toned palette. So I'm usually not kind of drawn towards Anastasia palettes, but this one, however, this one literally caught my eye and I was like, damn, I might have to get that. I know. Will I though? I don't know. It's on my wish list. So I mean, this palette looks beautiful, and yeah, I definitely want to at least swatch it and see how it applies before I buy it, but this is definitely on my list. The last thing is another product from Huda Beauty. I think Huda Beauty is my favorite brand out of all of them, you know, high-end. She came out with these matte metal melted eyeshadows. So she did a first release, must have been late last year or maybe early this year, I don't really remember, but she came out with 5 shades. They were more neutral, kind of toned down, you know, like they're grand, but those colors are not kind of, see, I already have these colors in like powder form, so I wasn't interested in them at all. However, these, do you see the bottom 2 shades, this lime green and I mean this minty green? This looks so cool and so unique. So out of all of these new 5 shade releases, the bottom 2, which are well, Speak Woman, which are called Minted Dinero, Limelight and Gold Chains, are the ones that I would like to purchase in the near future. They're around €25, so they're a little bit expensive, but I mean, you can, comparing them to like the Stila Magnificent Metals and Glitter eyeshadows, they're about €22 for just the shimmery shade. So here you have a matte shade and a shimmery shade for about €25, so it definitely works out better value wise. So yeah, that thing is on my wish list as well, especially these 2 more unique shades. So that is it for today. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you would like to see this kind of video, say every month, once a month, then please let me know in the comments down below, and I will just keep doing them. So yeah, again, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.